The flip turn is one of the most important skills you should know in swimming. It provides an easy and efficient way of quickly reversing directions without breathing or slowing down, and it can be broken down into 3 simple steps. So the first action is the flip itself. Before you start swimming into the water, you're going to want to practice the actual flip. So it's very important we get this down before we actually practice our turn. So you're going to start in a stationary horizontal position, almost as if you're floating face down. Then, at the same time, you're going to tuck your chin to your chest and then bring your knees to your chest as well. Or more simply, head down, knees up. Also really important, make sure you're always blowing water out of your nose. This is a really easy thing to forget, and trust me, you don't want to forget. The quicker you bury your head, the more acceleration you're going to be able to generate. So pretty much, you should look like a ball. Try and be as compact and as tight as possible, because that's going to help you spin faster. Make sure to practice this stationary start until it feels comfortable. So the next natural progression from this is turning after a few strokes. So what you're now going to do is practice doing 3 arms and then the flip. So on the 3rd stroke, use your arm to pull yourself into the turn. When you finish, you should have both arms by your side before you start your flip. The flip should now feel much easier with this added momentum. So once you've gotten comfortable with the flip, the next stage is to practice the landing on the wall. This time, you want to swim into the wall and execute your flip, making sure to have your feet land pointed up. You should start your turn when you are slightly more than 1 arm's length away. If you need to, you can look up to see where the wall is, but if possible, just try to keep your head down. Having your feet pointed upwards and arms in streamline is the position you want to be in. You should also be on your back. So aim to have your feet in line with your hips. Aiming too high or low will either send you straight up or straight down when you push off. You want to aim to be in a position where we can push off straight. So to recap, you should be on your back with your feet in line with your hips and arms in streamline. You then want to push off as hard as you can with your legs and twist onto your front. If you position your legs correctly, which is underneath your hips with your feet pointed up, this shouldn't be a problem. And as you flip onto your front, try to add some dolphin kicks to extend the distance you travel. And there you have it. So this is how we do an effective flip turn. So thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. For more swimming guides, please be sure to check out my channel. But as always, have fun and swim strong.